using the LMS software. Yet to 100 plus languages are used in the Moodle. Most of the universities and the education and the institutions are using the Moodle platform for teaching learning process and the assessment. Moodle can be easily accessed through the web browser. It does not require any additional softwares to use, or it's not necessary to install any additional plugins to use the Moodle application. And you can easily monitor. It can run any type of platform, so it's a platform independent. It supports multiple plugins and multiple usages, and we can easily customize the Moodle application. There's a flexible modular structure like a category, course, topics, and each and every topics can conduct. We may have the set of activities. So it's a powerful, and also it's a secure and open source. So this is the reason to use the Moodle, one of the well-known learning management system. So this is the simple statistics, usage statistics. Then India placed in the 15th to 16th position in the usage of Moodle. Near to 1,54,000 sites are LMS sites are used. 239 countries are using the Moodle web application for the teaching learning process as LMS. Large number of questions, quiz activities, resources, forum posts are used. Near to 37 crore or 38 crores are using the Moodle platform for the teaching learning process. It's the easiest way to communicate with the teacher can easily communicate with the student. They can easily share their document effectively and easy to access, easy to share the online resources too. We can easily conduct the assignment or assessment. It reduces or save the time and also money because of it's an open source. You can do the self-host in your institution. May implement the host model as a self-hosted platform. You can control access of different areas, reduces the paper, designed to encourage the collaborative learning as a through the forum and chats. Easy to experiment with the new ideas and tools. It can manage the materials. These are the advantages. The developer is the Martin Guimas. Wrote the entire code in PHP. It comes submitted this project as his doctorate thesis, Curtin University in Australia. What the teachers can do with Moodle. So the administrator, this overall control. The teachers, I will give the demo with the administrator side and the teacher side and the user side. The teachers, what the teachers can do with Moodle, they can create online courses and they can they can upload the files, materials, lessons, videos, or what all the document can be uploaded, and they can conduct the online tests and the examinations. So these two assessment, and also after completing the session, completing the topic, if they want to conduct the forum with the patrons or the group of students, they can create the forums on specific topic. And if you want to conduct the doubt clearing chat sessions, we can implement chat sessions, and we can divide the students into different classes to improve their performance. These are the important benefits of the Moodle towards the teacher side. In the student, what students can do with the Moodle, they can study anytime, anywhere, at any device at a constraint. So they can easily follow the lessons and they can participate into the forum discussion and the chat discussions. If they can participate any type of activities if they are assigned, and they can complete and they can upload their homework as assignment in their portal, and also they can participate the test or the examination in the given time or assigned time. So this is the learning process and the assessment process. Next, what are the basic foundation you must know to use the module? The first one is course is the fundamental in the Moodle area, which consists of two important components. The resources, another is activities. Here, the resources consist the materials related to course. The activities, here the learners or the students are actively participated in the learning. It may be in the assessment or the discussion activities. So the activities means how the students are actually participating in the learning process. Resources, how to share the materials to the learners for your specific course. A lot of activity modules are there, so you can conduct the resources through your sharing the material, and the activities you conduct the assessment, and also you can get the feedback and you can create the blogs. We will discuss one by one. Then plugins, you can customize, you can add some additional plugins. For example, if you want to add some animated assessment like hot potatoes, you can add the hot potato plugin in the Moodle platform. So it's also there you can add a multiple number of plugins based on your requirement. The administrator can install the plugins to extend the Moodle service to the faculty members and the learners. Then blog, which is used to add the extra items and the information on the course page. For example, calendar or the recent items or the blog testing or any reminders that can be added in the blogs. Then filters, which is used to something it pauses the blocks of text and changes in some way. You can classify the content. Next, there are four important things in the usage of the model. The first is how you can store the content, how you can communicate with the learners, how you can collaborate on assessment. We can store, how you can store the files of the digital documents, images, audio, video, text. So you can share, you can store all the type of contents like text, multimedia contents like text, video, audio, everything can be stored in Star. And also web pages. So you can create with you can share with the hyperlinks, insert images, you can do all things, and you can build up the folders in the name of name. For example, you can create the separate category, the links, and you can build a searchable repository, and the labels keep things very clean. You can create a separate understood labels and portfolios, and you can create a LMS package. So this can be stored effectively in the Moodle platform. And how we can communicate with the learners, we can use the forums, chat rooms, dialogues. Then RSS is really simple simplification, just like blogs, forums, wikis. So all can be used, and calendar messaging. And we can collaborate with the blog, wikis, glossary, forums, workshop, lesson, database, and social network. We can be connected. And you can evaluate the quiz, choice, scales, gradebook, rating, survey, assignment grades. So these four important things used in the Moodle activities. So store, collaborate, communicate, evaluate is a four important process. Now I'll give the clear demonstration for this. All these resource sharing and activities in the Moodle. So now I'm getting into our platform, this Moodle platform. This is our college Moodle platform. I will explain how the administrators can use this platform. That means how they can create a new category and new course, and how they can include the users. Next, in faculty side, how they can conduct the quiz or different type of quizzes, and how they can evaluate, and how those learners can enter into their site and they can use it. For example, it's administrator usage. Is it visible? Hello? Is the screen is visible?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Is it visible now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it visible now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No? Hello?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
Okay. So this is a administrator page. Just I will sign out and get into this understanding process. So this is our college Moodle platform. We have self-configured and self-hosted Moodle platform. We are using for the assessment and teaching learning process. So now this administrator page. This is now in our campus we have two Moodle platforms. One is the old one is Moodle 3, another is Moodle 4. This is Moodle 3 platform. We have utilized up to last year. Currently we are hosted the Moodle 4. This is a recent platform. We utilize this. So this is a old platform. I will explain all the things. Then I will move to new version. You can easily understand. This is administrator page. In the administrator side, you can see this is a dashboard. In the dashboard, you can understand the view, and you can. These are all the blocks. It's a private files, what are things, online users. You can view who are all the users are the online users in the current time. There is no user in the time. Then calendar, what these things. And the first thing, how you can create a query. For example, if you are having, if you want to conduct the CAA test for the department of computer science, so I'm creating a new. These are the course tab. I'm creating a new category. So this is the course page dashboard. I can monitor this courses. If you want to create a new things, here manage courses, you can see all the things, what are the categories there. I want to create a new category for giving the training for this process. So create a new category under the miscellaneous parent category. Can you view it? So this is under this new category. For this
Yes, sir.
training category. So training. Suguna. Yes. Just create a new category. Now I have created a new category under the root of miscellaneous. You can easily see here this is courses under the miscellaneous. You can see the training seminar class. Under this, I'm going to this is a category. Under this, you can create any number of subcategory. For example, CA1, CA2, CA3 are the end semester examination. You can conduct any number of subcategories under this category. So now the category is over. After that, you can add a new course. So to add a new course, the administrator can create only the course. The teacher or the students cannot able to create a new course. So I am going to create a new course. For example, the course name is training, Moodle training. Moodle training. It's a course name. You need to give the short name. Remaining under the miscellaneous training Sugunakas. If you want to add, this is a weekly assignment format. I already told you this is a topic format. I'm selecting the topic format. If you want to describe the course details, if you want to give the summary about the course, you can give this brief description. Otherwise, if you want to add some additional information, you can give these files. And topic format, you have 5 unit. So topic, 5 unit topics. So we can give it save and return. Remaining now the course is created with the Moodle training is the course name, which consists the 5 topics. Now the course is ready. If the course is ready, the administrator can authorize the course to the faculty member. Now, how we can add the user to the platform. So how we can add? So to add the user, I hope you understand. First, create the category, create a new course. Now course is ready. Now you need to add the user. The user may be a teacher or the student. If I'm assigned the teacher can include the student. Now I'm going to add a new user to the course. For example, site administration. If you want a new user, if it is not available, you need to select the site administrator, users and accounts. You can upload the user as a bulk through the Excel. So the Excel consists the specific format, which consists the first name, last name, password, user. So if I'm sharing that, you can easily understand. So I will share one more screen. So this Excel screen format consists this is the Excel format which is used to upload the user to use the platform. I have a simple format. This, for example, Vijay, last name, first name Vijay, last name I hope it user 1001. Let us say fix my first name, last name, user 1001. And also you need to give the, can you visible the Excel file?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
So this is a method of adding the user to your Moodle platform. A user, so the first name, your name, last name, password, username, email ID, institution. I need to store it is a CSV file. Now CSV file ready. So this is the format to upload. I stop the sharing and I get into the Moodle platform. In the Moodle platform, I'm going to upload the users, choose the file, the file, uh, So now, sorry, that number is name is not stored. Choose file. Yes, tab. Really nice. Now I included my name, user 1001, password 1001. This first time you password is user 1001. Suppose if you want to fix the password, you can change like this. Force password change. If you are giving none, the user cannot change the password. Suppose I am giving the user having a weak password during the faculty entered as this portal. In this portal, they can change the password. So, like I'll give it as a fixed one, none. So now, if I'm giving none, I can't able to change the password. So user 1001, password 1001. So upload the user. Now the user is created. I have uploaded the user Vijay 1001. I'm going to include the user for this course. So this is the Moodle course. I'm adding this 1001 user 1001 user Vijay for this course as a teacher. So user, if you want to add the user for this training course, you can see the administration, course administration. In this course administration, users, enrolled user, in this enrolled user, you can select enrolled user, assign role as a teacher. Here, user 1001. I'm going to search that Vijay 1000, which I have uploaded the user, enroll, finish enroll. Now I have included the user Vijay as a teacher for this course. So Moodle training 1, the number of user is enrolled user is only one. This is Vijay, this is a teacher. Now the administrator role is over. Now I created a course, created a new course. I assigned the teacher role, Vijay, for the course Moodle Training 1. Now I log out as administrator, getting into the faculty member. So user 1001, same password user 1001. So this is the faculty portal. Now I entered as a faculty. You can see here, I can see only course assigned for me. So you can see here administrator, another is user. So now I am the teacher for this course. Here I can change, I can add, this is the course. I can add the resources and the activity for this specific courses with the course administration. So the course administration can give click, turn edit on. You can see the add an activity or the resource. So here we can add the forum topic for the learners and also activities. Here, for example, first I want to add the students for this course. How I can add the student for this course as a faculty member? So this is a course. In this course, I'm going to add the users. For example, again, E002 search is no student. User So I want to know the users. So I want to select the users. So I want to know the for the student as for training users, other users. I can check intro user as a 21 7. So whole Moodle platform, you can see here, I identify on students 20 batch 106001, 20 106001, enrolled as a student, enroll, finish. I've enrolled one student for this course as a student. Okay. Now the user is ready. I'm getting to the topic. So I want to change the topic here first. This topic is, you can change like introduction. Section name introduction. Same thing this. Now this is introduction. In this introduction, I can share these some basic materials. So for that, I can click add an activity or the resource. So I already told two important foundation components is there. One is activity, another is resource. Resource which is used to share the materials. So these are all these resources can share to the users book, file, folder, IMS content, label page, all these can be shared. Another is activities. You can conduct the quiz, share, conduct the assignment, communication, chat, choice, database. You can get the feedback. You can conduct the survey. You can conduct the wiki. So these are all activities can be conducted. Okay. So first I will want to share a small thing. I want to share a small file. Add. So this is a participant list. Participant list. Need to select the file. Here I assigned a material. Let us take you can add any number of resources like this materials I share to you. They can download it whenever they enter it. Then after going through this content, you can add any number of materials like book can be shared. Add. You can give the book name, data. You can add the book details here, and you can edit. You can add the book details like content if you want to specify the chapter and content here. So you can add the chapters like that. So you can add any number of materials using this. Next, after going through this sharing the material, I want to conduct the one quiz activity. So this is the quiz activity. In the activities, you can select the quiz. Suppose if you want to share the assignment question to the learners, add an activity, assignment, select the assignment, add. You can give the assignment to one, give the description, and you have to give the file, the assignment question file. You need to give the, let us upload this. So it exceeds the limit, actually 2 MB. So you can add the files here, and you can give the duration, due date, and if you want to reduce the mark, you can give the reduction mark. So all these things, and you can specify the type of files, limit, and number of revision uploads can be restricted here. Then save and return course. You can share the content. The students can respond the assignment question in their login. Okay, so these are the information can be shared. Then if you want to conduct the assignment, a quiz event for after learning the details, quiz, add, you can conduct the test quiz. Timing, let us take, I need to give the description if you want to give. Then in the timing, when it should open, you need to give the opening time. For example, third, after this, immediately, let us take immediately. Close time, it will, let us 6 o'clock. Total execution time, let us take 10 minutes. Based on the number of questions and the type of questions, you can fix the time. Then if you allow the number of times, so this is the unlimited time default. If you want to restrict it with only one attempt, you can restrict. Next, you can show left every question one page. You can specify the question behavior, shuffle with the question. Yes, that's a review. Immediately after submitting the answer, they can know the answer. I will disable it. I will not permit to see the answer after conducting the. So I will disable all this. It will not show the result after the attempt. It will not show the result while this quiz is open. It will not show the result after the quiz is closed. So now the quiz is ready. I have created the test quiz. So now the quiz is ready. I didn't upload the question. So if you want to prepare the question bank to conduct the question, for that you can see the quiz administration. If you are clicking this, select the quiz. If you are conducting the quiz administration, for that you need to upload the question bank. So you can see the question bank in the last item, question bank. You can import the question from the template. So you can upload different type of questions. So in our campus, we have 5 different type of question banks. Just choose multiple choice questions as a single response. Choose multiple response, multiple choice questions. Match the following, order the statement, and true or false. So 5 categories we are using. Just I will upload all the questions, template questions. You can see how it will respond. So we have created the questions in the Word template format. So MS Word 2010 format. You can choose the file here. Choose the file. I have sample files. This is a single response file. Moodle question single response. Upload this template. Import. You can see the questions are uploading. 20 questions are uploaded. Continue. I uploaded only the dummy questions. These are the dummy questions you can see here. So this is the first question. Next, similarly, you can add multiple response questions, single response questions. Match the following. You can add match the following. This is a different approach. So match the following. Continue. You can view like this. This is a match the following. Next, if you want to include fill in the blanks, we have template for that. Right. Choose true or false, fill in the blanks, everything's there. It's a true or false. This is a true or false questions. You can see here this is a true or false, right? Then if you want to implement the order of statement, if you want to implement very simple, it's in a interactive method. multiple choice, multiple, just a minute. Okay. Question bank. Match the following. Unit 1. I will add the order the statement. Order the statement is a different. These are all the different type of file format. Order the statement is a GIF format. This is a simple notepad information. So you can include, choose, order the statement, upload the file, import, continue. So this is one of the example. So you can do the order the statement here. Now I have included different type of questions in the question bank. Now the question bank consists unit 1 question, 20 questions, true or false 20 questions, order 5 questions, match the following 5 questions. I will prepare the assessment questions. So for that, test quiz, edit quiz, add the questions from the question bank or the random question or the new question. I will take the question from the uh, question bank and this match the following all the questions, add from the question bank, order the statement, all the questions, add, I will add from the question bank, true or false, 5 questions, or you can select the random 5 questions too. For example, I want to add 5 multiple choice questions from this unit 1. I will add only random 5 questions out of 20. So this question bank consists of 20 questions, but they select only 5 random questions. Now the question bank is ready. The answer will be shuffled. 35 questions, 35 marks, shuffled manner, save. Now the question is ready. You can see here everything is ready. You can preview the question. You can just check the questions here like this, start attempt. So this is 20 questions, 35 marks. So this is just order the statement. A answer 1, answer question 3, answer 3. Question 1, answer 1. Question 2, answer 2. Question 4, answer 4. You can do this. So this is a multiple choice single answer. Next. Like this, you can check all the questions. It's randomly 4 categories of questions. This is order the statement. You can check this. So students can easily reorder the statement like this. So you need to check the all questions before asking. Now the faculty uploaded the material, upload the question. Now I log out as a faculty member. I entered as a student. Login 2106001. As a student, Moodle training. I get into the. I can see what are the things assigned. I can download this. If I'm in this ad material, I can download it. If I'm sharing the assignment questions, I can share the content and I can submit the submission here. If I'm clicking, I can submit the assignment. I will appear the assignment. Now the questions assigned to me. This is student portal. Times left. He can appear like this. Next. Next. So like this, the student can appear the questions. After completing this, they can finish the assignment. Only 4 questions are answered, remaining not answered. I can return attempt, otherwise I can submit all and finish. Submit all and finish. Now my submission is only one attempt is given. I can't able to appear once more. So back to course. Suppose I want to try once more, it's not possible. So already I attempt finish submitted today. It's my attempt is over. I can't able to reattempt. Then how I can how the faculty can check the assessment? Log out. So user 1001. User 1001. Login. So the user can check the results like only one attempt over. Can check the results. Here is the results. You can see grades. In the grade, you can be only one student appeared. These are the you can download as a CSV file or Excel sheet or the HTML document. Download it and you can see the response and also that is correct or wrong. So only one answer and you can see the progress. All this report can be viewed and you can download it. So this is the method of using the Moodle platform. Sharing the material, sharing the assessment, conduct the assignment, and all the quiz. See, you can conduct a lot of activities like if you want to conduct feedback after completing the session, you can conduct the feedback. The feedback has some template. You can add the questions like you need to add the questions. So this is a feedback mechanism is there. Similarly, chart, choice, database, forum, survey can be connected. So all these activities can be used in your learning platform. So the Moodle is one of the easiest platform to access the implement the learning process. Similarly, a lot of open source platform is there. You can use the open edx. NPTEL course comes under the open edx. Just a minute. I will open the PPT. Last is two slides covers the two additional open source platforms. There are popular self-hosted open source LMS are other than the Moodle is OpenEDX and this Canvas. So most of the uh, institutions and the training sectors are using this OpenEDX and Canvas in the form of CMS functionalities. This is the comparison. So Canvas LMS and the OpenEDX. So if you want to use Canvas things, you can use like this. I will show how it will be. Uh, I can show how the can you see it now? Can you see the Canvas dashboard? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This,
Yes, sir.
this is a Canvas dashboard. This is also one of the novel LMS platform. Similarly, a Moodle, you can create the courses like this. I have created the sample courses. So you can create the courses, fix the calendar, inbox, all the things. In the course, you can, for example, computer course, I didn't purchase any course. You can do the announcement, assignment. So most of the companies are using this training platform. Assignment, and if you want to conduct, and if you want to fix the rubrics, quizzes can be conducted like this. You can add the quiz, for example, click quiz. You can create the quiz, different type of quizzes, that quiz type, and different type of quizzes are there and modules. So you can collaborate and take attendance from this and do the analytics from this. So these are the one of the well-known Canvas LMS platform. The faculty members can use it. This is a free account, can be used to share the content. And also another one thing is this is another open EDX platform. OpenEDX is one of the challenges our NPTEL courses are using. So can you see this OpenEDX platform? Can you see this screen? Hello. So this is an OpenEDX portal. This is one of the course which is created through the OpenEDX. You can create a lot of courses like, and you can conduct this. And from this you can, there's a draft site. From the draft site, you can see what are the courses there. So I need to log in this. You can see, you can add the course. I have created one course in this. There's a data structure. I can add the section. There's a section I can add. You can add the content here. New content can be created. Similarly, you can do all the operations. Just you can create the discussion, HTML problem. If you want to conduct the assignment, you can do it here. So HTML, if you want to add the materials like this, after completing the discussion, you can show this one. But this one is trial platform. This is a trial platform, 30 days platform. If you want to use it, you need to configure entire things. So this is another well-known platform for LMS. So I hope that now I discussed three important LMS. One is Moodle, another one is Canvas, third one is OpenEDX. You're familiar with that? One of the important one is Moodle. Most of the companies are using. The second is Canvas. Third one is OpenEDX. Now I have opened the forum to discuss. If you have any query, you can discuss. Hello. So this is the link to create the Canvas account. This next OpenEDX. You can create the 30-day trial account in this link. Just you can copy, paste, and you can create the 30 days LMS portal with the 50 users. Any queries you can discuss.
Thank you, sir. The session was really useful.
Okay.
So, dear members, kindly raise few questions. So we are expecting questions.
No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. Now I request Ms. Sona Sasikumar to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening to all. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks. I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. V. Vijayakumar Sir, Head Department of Computer Science with Data Analysis and Controller of Examination, who honor this faculty development program with, with the topic of Module Learning Management System. I would like to thank all the faculty members for making today's program a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. I express my heartfelt thanks to the organizers and participants. Participants, if you have any query, you can ask now. Otherwise, you can mail me or call me to. Thank you.
So once again, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay. Shall I quit, ma'am? Quit, sir?
Okay, sir. Thank you.